Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous, elegant Dorse bow, or it could be a tree topper bow. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to cut a piece long enough so that if I want to make this into a tree topper, I can tie it onto the tree, or and then also tie up, because this will be a fairly thick bow. So we're just going to tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take my tails, and this is a good trick for taking your tails and making them, put them in first, and then you don't have to worry about how long your tails are going to be, because they're all taken care of. Now, if it is a tree topper bow, you might want to make longer tails than what I'm making here. So then what I'm going to do is take my wired velvet, and we're just going to twist it so that I have the wrong side on the inside of my loops. I'm going to fold it back over and twist, and we're just going to kind of shape as we go. And again, I'm going to just fold it and twist and scrunch that down in here. And fold it here and twist. And again, this is a fold and twist bow, so all I'm doing is folding and twisting. And I can make the loops this big because the ribbon is a very thick ribbon, and it'll hold its shape so the loops won't be floppy. And then we're just going to twist it and bring it back over, and you can see my loops are pretty much the same size, but I'm not too worried about it because we'll shape it, and it's wired, so it doesn't totally matter if they're exactly the same size or not. So we're going to twist that and fold and twist. So I'm doing 180-degree twists, and now I'm coming back in and I'm going to finish my loop off by just scrunching this down in here. I'll take my Bowdabra bow wire, my Bowdabra wand, scrunch everything down, just give everything a good push. Then what I'm going to do is take my branch and just lay this down in here, and then take my wisteria and just lay that down. And then I'm going to take my berries. Now, for those of you not familiar with Bowdabra, we have on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. We have over 950 videos, and we also have new videos every single week. So please subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified every time we have a new video come out. Now I'm just going to lay these in here just so that they cover up my stems. And bring this down here. And now I'm going to just take my wand, give everything again another push everything down into my Bowdabra. Now I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. And the reason that I folded it in half when I first put it in is because that way I have a slip knot. So all I'm going to do is pull it through the loop, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. Now when I pull it out, even though this is a very big bow, my hands, I'm not struggling with it. We have a lot of people that have fibromyalgia and arthritis, and this makes it so much easier for them, both the Bowdabra bow wire and the Bowdabra, because you're not struggling anymore with wire cutters and floral wire. So now you can see this is sort of taking shape, but what I need to do here is fluff it out and fluff here. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also go to bowdabra.com, where we have all kinds of beautiful ribbons and all of our Bowdabra supplies. Bring this here, and let's turn this around so you can see the whole bow and how beautiful it is. So didn't that come out gorgeous and so absolutely super simple to make? Let's bring my tails. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.